Welcome to the Ambient XC, a standalone DMX 512 hardware controller for RGB LED lighting fixtures. The Ambient XC is capable of transforming any space or venue by delivering lighting effects, usually only made possible through programming, completely automatically. The Ambient XC uses powerful AmbiX technology to drive the movement of light and colour through space. Let's look at ambient effects, for example. Here you can see how dynamic ambient lighting effects move through the space over time. The Ambient XC can be used in this standalone way to deliver mood lighting and ambient scene settings for use in many applications, including hospitality venues, architectural landmarks, and even the modern home. The Ambient XC takes sound to light to a whole new level. The system makes it possible to automatically generate complex lighting effects with any music source due to the advanced audio to effect triggers programmed into the Ambient XC. These operate through frequency band, beat by band, stereo panning, tempo and amplitude variants, all acting as triggers for the spatial movement of light. For example, colour spirals could be triggered on low beats, or colours can flow and shift to amplitude. Nightclubs and bars are transformed into immersive entertainment venues with the Ambient XC, connecting lighting with the mood of the environment. Perhaps the most impressive of all of the Ambient XC's features is video to light. When video content is fed through it, whether it be a music video, TV content or abstract visualizers, the Ambient XC generates real-time video to light to bring the screen content to life in the room. The Ambient XC uses its own video analysis technology to determine surround lighting effects which flawlessly match the content. For example, slow-moving images can deliver subtle ambient lighting, whilst faster-moving footage can deliver dynamic lighting effects around the space. The experience is highly effective for cinematic content, video games, and even on-screen presentations in corporate environments. The full power of the Ambient XC can be released by combining some or all of its modes in unison to create varying lighting effects. Modes can be used in pairs or all together, and their associated lighting effects can be mapped to specific locations within a space. For example, a nightclub may use the Ambient XC to map lighting effects from a video to where the TV screen is located, whilst also mapping audio to light effects on the dance floor or any other part of the room. The result is a harmonious blend of colour and effects to suit venues that have simultaneous activities or mixed requirements in one space. The Ambient XC combines the power of a lighting desk with the simplicity of a light switch. The Ambient XC software tool is designed to allow any DMX lighting setup to be configured very quickly by simply mapping each fixture to a zone in the AmbiX spatial model. Any number of fixtures can be assigned to each part of the space, making larger installations almost as easy as the smaller ones. With adjustments for gamma and output per fixture, a space can be fine-tuned to deliver the best possible experience with multiple fixture types. Once the fixtures are configured, it's possible to choose from a creative library of ambient, audio and video modes that are then uploaded directly to the Ambient XC and later selected when needed. Or simply use the timetable scheduler to run your chosen lighting effects at any given time. A touchscreen user interface gives the user added control after installation, with the ability to manually select AmbiX modes, change and set the scheduler, as well as customize other balance settings. The Ambient XC transforms the way light reacts to audio and video, changes the ambience over time to create mood, and entertains in a way that has never been possible before, making it an essential part of any RGB LED lighting installation.